Yeah, greetings to all my friends and patrons of Greenhouse. Today I've come with a happy mood, better mood. I feel the season is on, season of goodies, season of festivals, season of saris, good saris, festive saris. So, and my throat is bad, dear. So I'll talk less, and I wanted to show you all my pieces. I've got a beautiful collection all for you. Okay, I start. Yeah, the Maheshwaris I'm going to show today. Display Maheshwari. Okay, Maheshwari, Zari border Maheshwari. Look at this. It's the Kalamkari on Maheshwari. Let me open the saris. They'll be comfortable. As I'm sitting, please excuse me. Look at the mythology, Ramayana, and the colors. They play with colors. This is a beautiful Maheshwari, lavishly done, lavishly. And these are with organic colors, hand painted ones, Zari border, Maheshwari. This goes for 8,200, dear. This goes for 8,200. This is the blouse piece which you can combine with. My Keatola showroom is open. This is P452B Keatola Road. Come down and visit us. This is the second piece. I wanted to go slow because the screenshot will be easier for you to, if you give a choice. The product number is 2 and this is for 7,200. Again, a beautiful Maheshwari. All hand painted ones. Best of Maheshwari. These are all Greenhouse product. You can trust us and take away our things. This is for 7,200 only. 7,200 for the beautiful Maheshwari. I had a few more, but this is the last one I could show you, but the time is less, always. This is only for 7,200 again. For the tedious job they do, the price is worth 7,200. And the material, so beautiful. And the material. This is the achal part. Look at the achal. How beautiful it is done up. Go for this Maheshwari for the festive evenings. Very comfortable. Message me, please, whatever you wanted to know, let me talk to you and find out. This is on a linen, a wonderful piece. A wonderful piece on a linen. Eta dekhun amra patch work korechi, all kalamkari patches. Look at the styling, dyed linen. So beautiful, so nice, so elaborately done with Ari work. Bundle material linen. So beautiful. Oh, this is my precious owl. Owl motif. Internationally famed. প্রচুর demand আমার owlet. This is the owl motif adorned with Ari work. A very famous one. Very popular, I mean. Very popular. This is on Gachi Toshor. The printed stuff. Hand print block. Look at the texture. Texture tai hath dile. Oh, you could come and feel this texture. This costs dear 20,000. This is for 20,000 dear. Best of greenhouse products, 13,600 for number 6. Exclusive ones. They're all hand cut work. These are not machine embroidery. These are handmade things. Respect the saris. Look at this. Look at the palla section. Peach in color. And the greenhouse kathas. You are all waiting for greenhouse er katha. Ekটু দেখাই ভালো করে. Comes my mother tongue. Bengal এখন থেকেই spirit of Bengal. Look at the katha work. Look at the stitches. This is for you come here for our kathas. This is a dyed tasar. দেখুন এটা saffron color এর dye করা হয়েছে border টা. A large archel section. This comes over here. This goes like this. Look at this. This goes like this. And the quality. My loyal customers knows about my quality. And this is the blouse section. And show them the workmanship. Show them the workmanship. This katha costs 19,000 approximately, 19,600, 19,000. This is on pure Gachi Tashar. And another novel one. Look at the stitches. Look at the stitches. Look at the stitches. Paisleys are done. This is on a beige. This goes for 24,000 dear. This goes for 24,000. And the blouse section. and the width of the sari is 45 inches. Very unusual, unique one, very unusual. It's the color of the brinjal with grey dyed, grey and turquoise. This goes for 11,000. See for yourself. Book Korun. You may come to 452B Keatala Road. Give me a call, give me a ping before coming. I'll be so happy, dear. This is on ground floor. I'm mentioning this on ground floor. Hey, এটা আমার পক্ষীরাজ ঘোড়া. These are our signatures. Pokkhiraj Ghoda, dancing horses. And the motifs, you show them very nicely. A lot of pain behind the whole thing. Wedding season is on. Grab a beautiful one. Look at the workmanship. Look at the Pokkhiraj Ghoda motif. The Ari work has been done. All thread work. This is on Kosha Toshur. Zari border Kosha Toshur. Best of tussers, best of tussar. This goes for 16,000. Oh, that's all for the day. I've finished with all my saris. Good luck to you, dear. Oh, the sari cost 16,500. Had to mistake hoye geche. Thik ache. Signing up. See you again.